What's going on, peeps? Hope you guys are having a sweet, awesome day. Welcome. Let me stand up straight, sit up straight. Welcome. Make sure we are live right now. So it looks like we're going to go ahead and scroll and check out the price. We got BTC breaking back over 10K, which is very great news. Definitely good news, especially if you're into technical analysis. Then that's really good news because, you know, anything over, let's go ahead and hop over to TradingView real fast while I'm making sure I'm live right now. Let's see here. Boom, we are live. All right, this is a key area where Bitcoin was last night. All right, so this is a key level right here. Definitely bounced up. This is what we call the kill zone, the kill box. Let's go ahead and see if I can pull that up here. All right, we're live, so that's good. Let me go ahead, chat. Let me know where you guys are at, where you're from. Make sure you guys engage in the chat. I see everybody chatting. You can also be a donator or whatever. It's a super chat, so make sure you guys do that if you want to. All right. So, anyways, Bitcoin is in a key support level right here. Just right around. It broke below this key area of support, and then it's bouncing up. So hopefully it gets higher, then it breaks through that 12K area as well, so we can see new highs. But this is very good news. We wanted to see this bounce for sure. If it broke lower, then we were heading towards 8K. So the charting system I'm using right now is TradingView. It's a free charting platform, free to sign up. TradingView.com. It's good charts. You know, you have people on here charting all the time. You can pick cryptocurrencies. You can pick different kinds of markets. You got the stock market. Obviously, I follow Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. So you can also publish ideas. Like I have 8 charts published as well on the public side of it. So, you know, you can, you know, show back here from last year when I was doing some Bitcoin charts. And I kind of just chart on like the major, major crucial times in Bitcoin. So I'll usually chart those. I've been pretty accurate. Usually I do both scenarios, if it breaks up or breaks down. That way, you know, it's either or, because you can win on either movement. So there's that. Anyways, welcome. So hopefully you guys are doing good this morning. Also, another tool I use, let me know if you guys want to learn more about TradingView. Like I said, it's free. You know, you can publish your charts on there on the public side of it and share your charts and everything like that. If you guys want to follow me on TradingView, you're more than welcome to. It's just KTiger989. I don't push charts daily, but just maybe once or twice a month. Something fun to look at. But I actually look at the charts, you know, every day on TradingView.com. And there's another chart system that I'll show you guys as well. It's called Cointracking. And it looks very similar to this because they use TradingView charts, but you can integrate. So look at this long wick, this big 4-hour long wick right here. This is crazy. So it broke above that key area and then boom. So anyways, yeah, Cointracking is another one that you can basically chart off of. The way they've done it is basically you can integrate your exchanges in here and buy and sell directly from. Let's see if we can just pull up the main website. So it's trade on 45 of the most popular exchanges from one secure account on both desktop and mobile. So I guess they have a mobile app now. I didn't know they had a mobile app, but you can trade directly from your phone from just one place. Whereas TradingView, I don't think they have that integration hooked up just yet. Now they do use TradingView charts, but they don't have that. You know, you're not able to integrate into your, into TradingView, but you're able to integrate into Cointracking. It's one of the most popular charting systems out there. The link is in the description below if you guys want to get started on that. So there's that, and nobody's chatting yet. Good morning. Good morning. It's morning in the States right now. So another place I like to go to actually look at the Ethereum price is I just chatted to you guys over here in the chat box. It's called Luna.com, and they pretty much they optimize for whatever language or country you're in. So it'll show, you know, these different you got the euro and different USD, BTC, and everything like that. So you can change your currency right here on the fly. If it's missing your currency, then I'm sorry, but those are just the choices they have. And I think you can actually buy and sell on this website, but I don't use them to do that. I use different websites. So it says, yeah, interested. I think it's like an exchange. I'm pretty sure it is. You know, you got the wallet exchange. So yeah, it's an exchange for sure. But I just actually use them for this calculator right here. So 1 ETH equals, because it's a beautiful chart right here. It's a beautiful looking calculator. So that's why I like it. And I don't have to log like with Coinbase, because I have a Coinbase account. But you have to log in to see, you know, to see it on the fly. There's no, like, you can't really just calculate on the fly. Whereas this website, you can come in here. I can say, you know, what's $10 worth of ETH, and it'll give you pretty much a weighted price, you know, of Ethereum right on the fly. And it's pretty accurate for the most part. So that's why I like it. They also, you can click over to Bitcoin if you want to do the same thing. So that's kind of a neat tool to use as well. Another one is Preve.com. Let's go ahead, and it's just a very simple interface to calculate on the fly, like what, you know, basically it's got Litecoin, Dogecoin, basically different sizes of Bitcoin. So anyways, I can come in here and type in like 15 bucks, and it's like a weighted average of Bitstamp and Kraken, but you can change it to Bitfinex. So that it's pretty accurate as well. It's not off by too much at all. It's just those two exchanges. I wish they did more. Maybe they'll update it in the future. I'll chat that to you guys as well. Hey everybody, good morning, good morning. Whatever, only 5 people. It's all good. That's all good. It's all good in the hood, G. So ETN prices, we'll check that. Obviously, this tool is coinmarketcap.com, one of the more popular tools as well out there on the market. I got to get my coffee in, guys. I'm sorry. Got to get my coffee in. Look at the market. Looking pretty good now that Bitcoin's popping up. Bitcoin's popping up. And altcoins are... I got a little bit of allergies, so sorry, guys. Got like my nose is kind of stuffed up this morning. Yeah, so ETN, looking at number 40 right now, 8 cents. It looked like it was higher than that just a day ago. Price prediction after the Congress. I think people might have sold off just a little bit. I didn't even. Let me see here. Let's go ahead and pull this up a little bit. So it spiked right there, almost 9 cents. Looks like about 9 cents. Price predictions. You know, my price predictions on ETN has been really accurate. You know, I told everybody out the gates it was going to get around 10 cents or so, and it did. It broke 10 cents and actually went way higher than I expected. I think at one point it went to like 21, 22 cents. And then obviously people sold at that point to obviously make, you know, 20x profits. No big deal. I think it's going to break 10 cents, and once it breaks 10 cents, I think it's going to be right around the 10-cent area for a while until some more, you know, announcements come. And then, like I said, from 10 cents, it's going to be exponential, especially when they start releasing the mobile miner. And I think they did in another different, like a different, you know, wave or whatever you want to call it. They released another version of their mobile miner, I believe. So I think it's going to be exponential there. Once it reaches 10 cents and holds that price level, I think it's just going to go exponential from there. Like, you know, it's just going to gradually increase. This is a long-term hold. So, I mean, most investors I know that invested in Electroneum knew it was a long-term hold. You know, they knew that this project wasn't going to go to $1 overnight. Just if you look at the market cap overall, you know, it's like 451 billion. But on the Electroneum, you're looking at 530 million market cap. So for it to see $1, it would have to, you know, obviously rise, you know, like 10x basically, which obviously is a possibility any time in the crypto world. But, you know, you just want to keep things realistic and obviously do your calculations on those numbers. And if, you know, for it to reach like $1 or $2, it'd basically be more popular than Bitcoin. Or something like that. It'd be like a top 10 coin, which is definitely possible. It could reach the Dash, which I did a video about that, like what it would take to get to $1, and that was a very interesting video I did because I compared it to basically Dash, and what's very striking about Electroneum is that their social media is growing at an exponential rate. Like their Twitter account, their Facebook is actually very comparable to Dash. I mean, it took years and years and years for Dash to get that kind of support, whereas Electroneum has that support in a very, very little amount of time. So yeah, I still think it's undervalued, especially under 10 cents. Anything under 10 cents Electroneum, I'm going to go ahead and say it is undervalued. The price may fluctuate for a while, maybe under this price just for a little bit longer, but obviously, that could be said about a lot of cryptocurrencies right now, especially with this dip, this recovery right now. A lot of these coins, I mean, Dash was almost $1,200 a coin, Monero like 400, you know, so Electroneum's 40. I mean, it was 50 just last week. A lot of these other coins losing steam. So, I mean, be on the lookout for ETN, guys. So, coinmarketcap.com, tool I can use. If you guys, for those of you guys that use it but don't know like little secrets with it, to do some like obviously like do some research with it, you can come over to markets, look at all the exchanges it's on, look at all the pairs on here. I think you can sort by pairs, by alphabetical order. You can sort by 24-hour volume. You got social media. Well, it's supposed to have feeds right here. Some of the coins have feeds. You can add this to your website. Historical data. You can go back in time and look at the price as well. You can change up the scale. You can check out the different websites it's listed on. You got the Blockchain Explorer, message board, the chat. Sometimes I have the chat like in here. Source code, obviously, if it's a mineable coin or not. So there's like a lot of different little tools in here. Let's see here, global charts. Let's check out global chart. You can check out basically like the total market cap right here. So as you can see in the beginning of last year, look how small of a market cap we were, like barely, and then boom, like this exponential growth. So obviously, you know, we would have a pullback seeing this chart. But anyways, you can look at different, you know, the Bitcoin dominance right here as well, which is a very important number to know. Right here, it's pretty much at an all-time low, starting to gain momentum again. But there's a lot of different things you can do with coinmarketcap.com, and it's not the end-all be-all chart system, but it's very useful in researching different coins. So there's that. So let's hop on to a couple other tools real quick. Obviously Coinbase, it's just a buy and sell, retail buy and sell exchange, which they own GDAX. Ugh, my nose is stuffed. So Coinbase, if you have a Coinbase account, you're going to save a lot of money if you use GDAX, which is their more advanced exchange. Where you can actually put in orders yourself, and you avoid a lot of fees and a lot of headache. By now, pretty much everybody knows that you can use GDAX, but you can also send Bitcoin and you can send Ethereum from your GDAX account and avoid those sending fees as well. So you know, not only do you avoid the buying and selling or the buy and sell fees, for the most part, you avoid the sending fee. So if you're sending to somewhere else, just make sure you don't send to like a MLM type of place. So sometimes those don't work. So GDAX, owned by Coinbase. If you have a Coinbase account, you're approved, you can use GDAX. Most people know that by now, but just in case you don't, there you go. End of March price, ETN price, price by the end of March. So end of March, I'm gonna say I'm a conservative guy. Like, I like slow exponential growth because that's always good, a good sign in a project where it's going like exponentially like this. That's always a good sign. So I'm gonna say it's hard to say, because if they hit an exchange, then it, you know, like in the crypto world, you know, things could just go bonkers in like a matter of a month. I mean, if they announce just a few good things about Electroneum, it could see 20 cents at the end of March. But on a conservative side, you know, 11 cents, 12 cents would be pretty conservative in my opinion, especially if the market starts to recover. We could see a 12 cent pretty easily, actually. 11, 12 cents, you know, an exponential growth from there. So maybe we hit that 10 cent mark sooner than later. It just depends on when the market starts recovering fully. Which it may be a little bit later in the year, like, you know, April, May, maybe June, by the time the market is fully like ready for ramping up again, and that last half of the year where it's going to be like a bull market, which, you know, usually has been the case, it seems like, in the crypto land. But, you know, with things changing, bigger players entering the market, so we'll see, as the market cap's still at 450 billion. So we'll just keep an eye on that. Another tool you can use to find ICOs is none other than CoinSchedule, which I covered in a few videos before. So CoinSchedule, basically people can go in here and buy, like, you know, different like gold level, you have like silver, and you have these other ICOs down here at the bottom, and it shows you pretty much how much it's done, like as far as the ICO is complete. If it's in a pre-sale, it'll say pre-sale, so you know. So let's go to Lucid. You can kind of open that up, and it'll show you more information on it. It'll show that it's live when it ends. It's got 2 days. You can open up their forum on Bitcoin Talk. It says here. They should have a link to their website. It's right here. I'm guessing too with CoinSchedule they're going to integrate more features, but you can it shows the team right in here, right in with the dashboard, so you can do a lot of your research from right within coinschedule.com without having to go to their website. So if you don't like something right on the fly, then you can just go back to the main page and, you know, and go from there. And they also have the video. So these are pretty much like probably the requirements that CoinSchedule has, especially if you're like a gold member on here. You got your website, the white paper, Twitter, and all their social media links, and you got the discussion down below, what people are saying about it. Let's see here. So that's pretty much all the information. That says this is a gold project. Pretty much they paid probably to be up there at the top. Sometimes this number's off, that percentage. So if you're coming over here and looking at like 98% done, it might be done already. It has to, you know, they have to update this, but it looks like it's still going here, possibly based on their homepage. So there is that. So you got CoinSchedule, very good resource. This is just one tool I use for finding some ICOs. It's a tool that actually a lot of people use for finding ICOs. So there's that. You can see upcoming token sales, popular upcoming token sales, and upcoming gold members and things like that. So tons of ICOs, guys. Hopefully we have some pretty good ones this year. So yeah, there's that. Let me check out. Let's see. We got exchanges. We got crypto or coinmarketcal.com. This is a very cool tool. This shows you like different types of let's go in here, past events. So this is interesting. This is a very interesting tool. Some water here. So we got basically, you can come in here and look at past events. It shows some Electroneum getting listed on KuCoin. And pretty much you can vote on if it's like accurate. Like if this is accurate, you can come in here and vote. So it has validation. You got 288 votes, so that's how you know it's pretty accurate. The more validation, the more accurate it is, and things like that. But yeah, there's past events. You have Nano adding the iOS wallet. This is another very popular website as well. This is these are, I guess, they're the supporters or whatever. But upcoming events is going to be the more important one. You can also sort by different coins and things like that. So if you just want to track like Ethereum or whatever, you can come in here and let's go to like Tron for just an example. Well, I guess it's deciding to load. Let's go ahead. Actually, we'll just take a look. It just shows you the different coins. You got Litecoin, which is today, LitePay. Official public launch is scheduled today. 95% accuracy. So Litecoin, if you see a bump in Litecoin's price, let's see here, or a sell-off, yeah, it's up 8.55%. Might even go up a little bit more, and then it might crash down a little bit from people selling the news. You have VeChain rebranding. Everybody's known about that for a while. They're rebranding basically today. Tron SA winner announced today as well. Electroneum, you got the GSMA exhibit and speaker. Cardano, you got the showcase of achievements. The team behind Cardano will showcase the cryptocurrency most recent achievements and developments to various investors and known figures. Hang on just a second. I got a lot of cool new features on this channel, guys. I'm going to be doing more live videos, but I got some other cool features. Like I'll be integrating the chat into the screen, possibly. So you can see yourself chatting basically. And for the super chat as well, if you guys donate, there'll be something special that pops up on the screen, like basically like a Giphy. That will pop onto the screen for those that are donating or sponsoring the chat, in the chat as well. So I got a lot of cool different things going on. I think I'll be also double streaming, so I'll be like streaming on YouTube and Twitch possibly in the future at the same time as well. So a lot of cool things upcoming on this channel that will that's going to be taking place. So you guys can just hang on just a second. You guys can just apply, you know, if you want to. Maybe not, maybe not. But yeah, so a lot of cool stuff coming up. Dent launching Android app today. AppCoins, APPC, App Store Foundation website launches with more information about ASA purpose. That's another popular project that people are liking right now. Bitcore airdrop last week. So it looks like all this is today. So that's cool. KYC. Okay, yeah. So you got categories. You can just do airdrops. You can do announcements. You got token burns, which are very important. Exchange listings, halving, partnerships, rebranding, release white paper. So this is a very, very cool website to do your research and really catch movements before they happen. Because that's pretty much what the crypto market is big on now. They're big on catching things that happen. You know, people will get in like a coin a week before the actual news or the event's gonna happen, and then when it happens, you know, pretty much the day leading up to it, then they sell off into it because the price pumps up and they made their gains. So you can, like, you know, 10x or whatever your investment. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so disclaimer about that, not a financial advisor. So this is just entertainment and opinion only. Boom. So yeah, anyways, so those are pretty much the tools that most people use in the crypto space. Let me know what tools you guys use as well, and I'll throw it up here. So let me go ahead And hang on, I'll put this in the chat here. coinmarketcal.com, where you can find some of the best upcoming events on the top cryptocurrency coins. So there you go, coinmarketcal.com. All right, now that brings me to a very important tool, especially if you're coming in the if you are in the US. So let's go ahead and head over to cointracking.info, and there's already a link in the description below. But coin tracking is a crypto portfolio. You can track your crypto portfolio from multiple exchanges and multiple wallets. It's got trade analysis and tax report. So it's very important for people that are signed up in the US. But there you have it. I guess we could watch maybe a quick video on it, and it shows you pretty much what it's about.
Can be very confusing, and it's way too easy to.
And it shows you can import your data from many exchanges as wallets, and it shows it right here. You got Binance, Bitcoin, .co.id, and you got all these other ones. Bitfinex, BitHum, Bittrex, Bitstamp, KuCoin, HitBTC, on and on and on. Your wallet import, you have blockchain.info, Electrum, Exodus, Mycelium, Trezor, and all these other different places. It says legacy. It just says legacy support closed. These are just the old exchanges basically that got shut down or shut down as well. But there's a lot you guys can do with this. They have a actual demo, so it shows you like a live demo account. So we'll kind of click on that and show you guys what that's all about. You can register for free. So if you want to register for free, just use that link down below and get your free account set up. But here's kind of the idea of it. Like, it shows you your total coins value. Obviously, if you're in the States, it'll show you USD. But this is just showing an example. It shows you in euro. So it shows you different prices and different breakdowns as well. Like your first trade, last trade. It's got all different kinds of information, trades per exchange. So if you're running a bot like Profit Trailer or Gunbot or whatever, then it'll show you the trades right here from within the dashboard. And it's not live, like super live and up to date. I think it does take a while to grab the API, sync to your account, and then show up on your coin tracking. But it's pretty accurate. Like I said, it's not like live, showing your trades live or anything like that, but it's very accurate and very precise. It just takes maybe a couple days to update, or a day or two or whatever. So just keep that in mind. Current balance. Like I said, though, once you integrate your exchanges, it'll track your trades. So sometimes you'll have to go in there and kind of basically, dang it, showed my email. Dang it. It's all good. I don't care. That's a throwaway. But anyways, it'll show you, like I said, it'll show you just integrate your API. It'll show you, different coins. But, they do... You'll have to go in there sometimes and take a look at it, make sure the actual coin name is correct. Because I think on some of them, like Nano or Ryblox rebranded to Nano, and I think that was a problem for some users. But I think they are updating that and gonna fix it, and I think they might have already fixed it. But that was, I know, an issue. It shows you your timelines when you traded, and like how much you purchased 6 times. So it just kind of shows you an overview and a calendar. As well, so that's kind of cool. Balance by currency show you different values by different coins right there. Balance by exchange, and obviously your balance day to day. It'll show you your portfolio there. All kinds of different things as well. You got your current balance, daily balance by exchange, trading fees. There's a lot you can look at. Realized and unrealized gains, trade analysis, average purchase prices. Tax-free coins, which is pretty important. Obviously, if you like to know like your quote-unquote tax-free coins, you can actually look that up, and it'll show you how long you might need to hold a coin for, or kind of just some predictions on what you might be paying or things like that. Consider trades only, consider trades income and expenditure. So this is very detailed, very obviously very accurate as well. You got your overall and manual import. So if you want to import those, you can import like all these exchanges as well. API imports, wallet imports, bulk imports. You have coin trends, coin charts, coin price calculator, user statistics, Bitcoin analysis, and finally tax reporting. So there's that. So it says open and create a new tax report. So obviously, create these different reports down below, and there's different methods that you can use to calculate your taxes, like FIFO and LIFO, which are just basically, I think, different types of tax requirement. Well, actually, we'll just YouTube it and find out. I forgot what FIFO means, but let's go ahead and just type it in. I think it's just a let's see here. Method of queuing up memory, computing and electronics. So I guess it's just a method of first in, first out, different types of reporting and methods you want to use. So I guess if your account requires maybe a different type of reporting, you can just punch that in and you're good to go. So it's very accountant friendly. Actually, a lot of accountants that are in the crypto space actually use that. Use cointracking.info for their clients, but you can actually come in here, and I think they're let's go ahead and check out their prices if we can. Their pricing, this is what really I like about it, is that they have a free account, so you can come in here, tracking of your coins. Hang on just a sec, if it'll load up for us. If you guys have any questions, let me know. All right, so it's got unlimited tracking of coins. I think you just have to enter. Dang it, I pushed that link again. Maximum of 200 transactions though on the reporting area, so it does limit you to that. Import exchanges, you can just do 200 transactions there. But on the unlimited, it pretty much has all the features. You can do up to 20 backups of your trades. You can buy the lifetime, which is 0.289 Bitcoin, and you own it forever. So you own it, and you get all the upgrades as well in the future. So that's very cool. It kind of shows you lifetime coin tracking guarantee. By the lifetime use, the buyer receives a lifelong coin tracking warranty. This means should the coin tracking service ever be disabled or permanent no longer to use, doesn't matter if it's 1 year or 30 years, all buyers with the lifetime coin tracking guarantee will receive the entire source code of coin tracking and may use all the tools on their own server or self-installing on their desktop or PC. The buyer will receive all rights to the code and can use it both privately and commercially. So that's cool. So I guess you're an accountant, and like I said, these are accountants right here using it, showing you right there, tax consultant. So, but I mean, this is good for personal use. I mean, and why not? If you plan on being in crypto forever, why not just get the unlimited account? So, especially if you made significant gains within the last year or two, then why not just go with the unlimited and track all your stuff in one dashboard and have unlimited? You got blockchain imports up to 50 different wallets. With the Pro, you only have 5, and with Free, you only have 2. So that's another big difference there. Automatic API imports, you have unlimited with the unlimited account. So that's very important to note as well. Daily backups of all trades. So that's cool too that the unlimited has that feature. Guaranteed access to all future updates. Obviously not included in the free account, but I mean, if you're into crypto lightly, then yeah, go ahead and get the free account and get that set up. You pretty much have to do everything manually, but there's that as well. And also, if you guys do decide to purchase Pro or Unlimited, you can just pay for it for up front for a year or 2 years as well. But you get 10% off if you purchase using my link at the bottom of this description. So there's that. So that's pretty much all the tools I wanted to cover. We covered a lot of different tools and a lot of good things out there on the market. There's actually tons more that I know about that I won't actually include in this live stream. But maybe in the next live stream, if you guys want to see even more tools, judging by the popularity of this video, then you guys can just let me know, and I can provide you guys more. I can provide you guys more tools to use in the future, depending on what you guys want. How to know which is the best profitable coin to mine. Let's see here. Mining and profitability. It used to be a good tool that used to be. I mean, it's just kind of funny. I used to use, actually, NiceHash would show you, I think back in the day before they got hacked. I don't know. I don't really know if anybody's really using them anymore. But basically what pretty much you used to be able to use is if you had a mining rig, you could basically go to NiceHash and integrate it with NiceHash, basically use a NiceHash mining pool or set your mining rig to NiceHash servers or whatever, and it would pretty much show you what was the most profitable coin you can mine at the time, like even down to the day. So whatever the most profitable mining coin to mine, NiceHash would help you. It would optimize your mining rig to go mine that most profitable coin based on your mining rig. So that used to be kind of a place where you could go to optimize your mining rigs to mine the most profitable coins. But they got hacked, obviously. I think they actually paid back everybody from that hack, but that was a big deal as well. But that was a place you could set up your mining rig to do that, to optimize it for the best profitable coins. There was another place that I used to go to, see if I can remember it. It was like Mine Central or something like that. Let's see if we can pull it up. Let's just Google it. Most profitable coin to mine. How about that? We'll just Google it. Yeah, there it is. What to mine. So this is something that actually a lot of people use still, I believe. And I was told to go here a while back as well. You can. They got their different algorithms right here, showing you, and it's got your calculator. You got your cost, kilowatt, profitability, 24-hour profitability. You know, you can change that as well. Current profit, 7 days, all that good stuff. Selected exchanges that the coin might be listed on, and then you can calculate. Then you got your GPU mining rig up here. You got your ASIC. You got new coins, ETH, ETC. So a lot of different things. Actually, it looks like they've upgraded this platform since I've been on it last. And actually, it'll even show you right here pretty much what the most profitable. It'll show you difficulty rates, and even shows you NiceHash right here. The ETH hash. Looks like the API is not integrated. But yeah, this is called whattomine.com. Obviously, it was the first place to pop up. But yeah, this is one of the most popular places to use, right? I guess right now, and obviously it was back then. But yeah, if you're into mining, this is definitely a place you could go to see what profitable coins you can mine. Electronium. So there is that. Very cool place to go. Any other questions? I'll just type that in for you miners out there, people that want to mine. Whattomine.com. So there's that. And obviously, let's see here. Let's go ahead and click on one just to see what it does here. We'll click on Electronium, and it shows you a lot of different data, estimated rewards per hour, per day, per week, per month, per year. So that's very cool. 3,000 pool fee, 3,000 estimated rewards, 17,000 received in BTC, 0.14 revenue, 1,500 almost. Cost, the cost of it, $289. Profit, $1,100. Current exchange, you got the exchange rates right there. Status active. Website shows you all that information. Block time, when the last block was. You got the reward, 24-hour reward, difficulty rates. So a lot of different information. This is what you need to know, basically. You can calculate your hardware cost and everything like that. So that's very cool. I don't remember this being that detailed back then, but you know it is now, so that's good news. So I'll definitely put this on the list of tools as well. Let's see, Pascal coin. There's also like, you know, let me see here. What is it? There's another tool you can use to find nodes, like masternode.pro. You know, if you guys are interested, masternode. I think there's another one, masternodes.pro and masternodes online, if I remember right. No, I guess it's not masternode. Maybe it's masternodes. So masternodes.pro. Okay, here we go. Is masternodes.online. These are two different places you can set up like masternodes, and you can kind of see like on the fly which is the most profitable coin. Like this is the minimum. You need 5,000 coins. You need 5,000 coins required, which is going to cost you about $12,000. But monthly, you get $5,000 back and you $66,000 a year for running that masternode. And if you are like, what the heck is Numis coin or Numis coin, whatever, you can click on it and it'll take you over here. It's got your coin price and all that stuff here. Just a more of a breakdown. Normally it shows you where the nodes are in the world. Maybe my blocker, yeah, it's got my ad blocker. I don't know if that's going to block anything. You can look them up at coinmarketcap.com or just click on their website. Masternodespro.pro has a Discord as well if you need support. They also have like these little small charts, 30-day charts right here. It's for you guys. You might note that some of these coins drop off in their profitability, so that's something to know as well. So if you're running a masternode, you kind of want to know what's going on in your coin and your marketplace. You want to try to know basically what's going on if you're running a masternode, like as far as like the price goes, because if your price crashes and you're running a masternode, you know, and you spent like 12K, you know, on the coins, and then the price crashes, like right now it's 248 a coin for Numis coin, and that price crashed to like 10 cents, you know, you're out a lot of money. So you want to basically obviously keep track of that, or get in some of these coins very early, and then that way, you know, you can kind of hedge your risk that way. Masternodes.online, another tool. You can it's pretty much the same setup, not as pretty as masternodes.pro, but same idea. It shows you the required coins, your minimum worth, and things like that, how many nodes there already are, your percentage ROI. You got your market cap, so if you want like a higher market cap coin, you got change in percentage wise on the price. You also have, you can click on it and it'll show you, I actually like the data on this one a little bit more. It shows you a cleaner breakdown in my opinion, but I like this one because it shows you the map of where the masternodes are located, and you got all your links here on the left hand side. So there's that. So it shows you your daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly income as well from here. So there's are the cool tools you can use, that you guys can use to run masternodes. So, but with that being said, guys, I am going to get off here. I am tired. I still haven't drinking my full cup of coffee yet, and I got things to do today. I got to upgrade my computer here so I can run some pretty solid live streams in the future. We'll have different chat integrations, and we'll have like, you know, different things going on as far as the live streams go. So if you guys want to see more live streams, make sure you share this, like the video, smash the likes, smash the subscribe button, hit the bell, hit the bell, and let me know what you guys think below. We just gave away 10K worth of red coin, and my last 10 videos we gave like 1K worth of red coin a piece for fun. So we're always doing giveaways here. I'll announce the next giveaway in another video or whenever I decide to do that. So wherever red coin is, maybe it fell off the map, maybe it went up higher. So red coin's at 1 cent. I think back then it was like, you know, 0.007 cents. So red coin, maybe what if it mooned? You know, then all my giveaway contestants that won, you know, have some red coin. So there you go. We've gave away Bitcoin before. We gave away a Litecoin. Maybe we'll give away some Ethereum in the future. I don't know. We'll see. So make sure you subscribe, get the alerts, get the notifications, do what you do. And Bitcoin's at 38.6 dominance right now. But anyways, I will see you guys in another video and at the blockchain. Peace. If I can remember how to turn the stream off.